Feels like I'm back to square one with the Acro, but I'll keep at it, keep trying. Plus, at the end of these last couple videos you'll see from full Acro mode day, I don't know if something happened to the drone. Each time I would take off, it would just, instead of going, it would just kind of tilt back and start to float and do little circles. Almost look like, if I would have known any better, it looked like the pilot was drunk, but no drinking involved. I'm starting to think maybe something with the circuit board, the motherboard, the gyro sensor, or something, whatever is in there that keeps it straight. Got jostled in some of the wrecks I had today. Little spokes, these little spokes in here, one of them was broken, but I've had it broken before, and I was still able to fly it. It drifted a little bit, but nothing like this, where it would just kind of lazily do lazy circles. So something's not right. So I'm gonna have to go into repair mode and see what's up. All right, I think I finally got the camera set up. What you need to work on these little Inductrix drones are some small screwdrivers. All right, we're gonna start by taking the props off your drone. Actually, if anything's powered, yeah, I think we might just go ahead and replace this frame. So we're gonna start by disconnecting the motors, and the way they've designed this is very simple to work on. I'm not the most tech savvy person, but even I can figure out how to work on this little guy. No soldering needed. And we're gonna go ahead and get the canopy. Alright, that comes off pretty easy once you get those two top screws off the top of the canopy off. And you will notice we are hooked together. Once again, very simple. The way they designed this, easy to work on. And just like that, the canopy is off. Go ahead and take out the motors. And what I like to do with this is whatever screwdriver you're using, I'll just get it started. I want to watch out for these things. These things will cut pretty easily if you slip. Go ahead and get all these started. Yep, that's the side that was broken, and we just broke it a little more. Alright, motors are out. Now we want to disconnect the little LED light that comes with the Inductrix. I got two more little screws to take care of here. Got the second round of screws off. This board should just come off just like that. Voila. Alright, so we're down to the frame. Yeah, right there. So we'll put this one off to the side. Like I said, I'm going to put a little glob of super glue. Got a new frame here, nice and clean, no grass stains. The way you can tell which is the back after you've taken it apart is the little slot here for the LED light. So this will be forward, this is backwards. We're going to go ahead and get the circuit board back on. With these motors being magnetized, what I like to do is just get a little bit of on the screwdriver, and that'll help you deal with these little screws you just took out. And I'll put them in not all the way tight, but just somewhat secure until I get the other side in. Alright, so I'll go ahead and tighten this one all the way. Okay. Circuit board's back in. I'm going to go ahead and feed the LED light. Alright, so we got that in. Got the battery connector coming out the back. Connect the canopy with the video transmitter. Alright, got that back. And the way they designed this, it just snaps back in pretty nice into the spot it should be. Now we're going to get the screws to the top of the canopy. Make sure we're magnetized. Same thing with this. I just get it down close, finger snug. Not too tight, just until it starts to resist. Now we gotta add the motors. And like I said, I want to keep this little piece of paper. The black is going to be clockwise. That's going to be your front left. And I would like to use the props themselves. Slowly push in, but you want to be pulling the cable out the other side as you're doing it so you don't smash it when it goes down like that. Now we're going to want the one of the ones with the white top. Pull that wire through just so it doesn't get smashed. Okay. Now we need to connect the motors. Alright, we are all connected. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck these cables into their little spots. You will see these little spacers where the cable gets tucked into, just to keep it nice and clean. Okay. Inductrix has been taken apart. New frame on. Alright, so let's see if this baby flies. Alright, transmitter is on. Inductrix. Power on the drone. Okay, so far so good. Pretty simple. Like I said, not very tech savvy. They design these pretty simple. Just a lot of connections, no soldering. We're gonna roll with it for now. We'll see how it goes, if that shaking keeps up. So, all right, until next time. Stuttering, flying funny, shaking.